Welcome back. In today's video, we'll go through the newest UK Driving Theory Test 2026 questions and answers. If your goal is to pass your theory test first time, you're in the perfect place. Pay close attention, challenge yourself, and find out how many answers you can get correct. Question number 1. Which type of vehicle should you be ready to give way to as you approach this bridge? Option A, motorcycles. Option B, cars. Option C, bicycles. Option D, buses. Correct option is D. A bus or high-sided lorry will have to take a position in the center of the road to clear the bridge. There's normally a sign to show this. Look well ahead, past the bridge, and be ready to stop and give way to large oncoming vehicles. Question number 2. What should you do if a driver pulls out of a side road in front of you, causing you to brake hard? Option A, sound your horn to show your annoyance. Option B, overtake as soon as possible. Option C, ignore the error and stay calm. Option D, flash your lights to show your annoyance. Correct option is C. Be tolerant if a vehicle emerges and you have to brake quickly. Anyone can make a mistake, so don't react aggressively. Be alert where there are side roads and be especially careful where there are parked vehicles, because these can make it difficult for emerging drivers to see you. Question number 3. Why should you make allowances for older drivers? Option A, older drivers' reactions may be slower than other drivers. Option B, older drivers can only drive cars that have automatic gearboxes. Option C, older drivers are exempt from wearing seat belts. Option D, older drivers take more risks than other drivers. Correct option is A. As people age, their reaction time gets slower. The rate of decline varies from person to person, but you can expect them to take longer to react to a hazard, and they may be hesitant in some situations, for example, at a junction. Question number 4. You're on a 3-lane motorway. How should you overtake a slow-moving lorry in the middle lane if it's showing this sign? Option A, cautiously approach the lorry, then overtake on either side. Option B, follow the lorry until you can leave the motorway. Option C, approach with care and overtake on the left of the lorry. Option D, use the right-hand lane and overtake the lorry normally. Correct option is C. This sign is found on slow-moving or stationary works vehicles. If you wish to overtake it, do so on the left, as indicated. Be aware that there might be people working in the area. Question number 5. What type of vehicle uses an amber flashing beacon on a dual carriageway? Option A, an ambulance. Option B, a fire engine. Option C, a doctor on call. Option D, a tractor. Correct option is D. An amber flashing beacon on a vehicle indicates that it's moving slowly or stopped and a possible hazard. Look well ahead on a dual carriageway and you should be able to see and respond to these vehicles in good time. Question number 6. What might you expect to happen in this situation? Option A, traffic speed will increase. Option B, traffic will move into the right-hand lane. Option C, traffic won't need to change position. Option D, traffic will move into the left-hand lane. Correct option is D. Be courteous and allow the traffic to merge into the left-hand lane. Question number 7. Why should these road markings be kept clear? Option A, to allow teachers to park. Option B, to allow children to see and be seen when they are crossing the road. Option C, to allow children to be picked up after school. Option D, to allow children to be dropped off at school. Correct option is B. The markings are there to show that the area should be kept clear. This is to allow an unrestricted view for approaching drivers and riders' children wanting to cross the road. Question number 8. You see a horse rider as you approach a roundabout. What should you do if they are signaling right but keeping well to the left? Option A, stay well back. Option B, proceed as normal. Option C, keep close to them. Option D, cut in front of them. Correct option is A. Allow the horse rider to enter and exit the roundabout in their own time. They may feel safer keeping to the left all the way around the roundabout. Don't get up close behind or alongside them, because that would probably upset the horse and create a dangerous situation. Question number 9. What does this sign mean? Option A, cycles and buses only. Option B, no cycles or buses. Option C, contraflow cycle lane. Option D, with flow cycle lane. Correct option is D. Usually, a picture of a cycle will also be painted on the road, and sometimes the lane will have a different colored surface. Leave these areas clear for cyclists and don't pass too closely when you overtake. Question number 10. You're about to overtake a cyclist. Why should you leave them as much room as you would give to a car? Option A, the cyclist might speed up. Option B, the cyclist might have to make a left turn. Option C, the cyclist might be unsettled if you pass too near them. Option D, the cyclist might get off their bicycle. Correct option is C. Before overtaking, assess the situation. Look well ahead to see whether the cyclist will need to change direction. Be especially aware of a cyclist approaching parked vehicles, as they'll need to alter course. Don't pass too closely or cut in sharply, as this could unsettle the rider. That wraps up today's practice session. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and enable notifications for more UK driving theory test content. Keep practicing regularly, stay focused, and you'll be fully prepared to pass your test on the first attempt. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.